Well, hello, my name's Susie and I have another balloon upgrade idea for you. Today's comes together relatively quickly once you have all of your product ready to go. So I recommend doing that before we go into assembly. I've done all that ahead of time to save time. So the first thing I'm going to need you to get ready, or you're going to need, is 11-inch balloons. And I've filled these up with 14 pumps each, roughly 7 inches. And I went ahead of time and tied a weight on the bottom of that. And then I have 2 of the navy blue 5-inch balloons with 5 pumps each. And the beautiful happy birthday foil balloon. It's air filled, and I have the sleeping bag roll intact right at the base. And today I'm going to introduce to you the 360 balloon. We don't use that very often in balloon upgrades, but for this design it is beautiful. It works really well. So we're going to need to strengthen this 360 by double stuffing it. The reason they call these 360s is because when it's inflated it'll be 3 inches wide by 60 inches long, as opposed to the 260, which you're used to, 2 inches wide by 60 inches long. Alright, enough schooling. Now I need you to get a pre-inflate stick and stick your 360 all the way through, and you're just going to be gently guiding and sliding, double stuffing the second 360. Remove your stick, grab your air inflator, and this is going to take a little more muscle than your average because it's double stuffed, and I'm going to go with about roughly 7 pumps. So to make it easy on yourself, I strongly recommend that you just take the inside inflation valve and give that a tie. There's no sense in wearing yourself out and trying to tie both of them. And then you want to shape this so that it's straight up and down. And we're ready for assembly. Now the magic happens. Okay, you're going to take your first quad, place it on top of your red, and I have a spare 260 here, and I'm just going to figure eight around the two. What I do on one side, I like to do on the other. Nice and secure. Then we're going to take the longer end and stick this right down the center, and I'm going to do the same figure eight technique with this. This time I'm just going to go around the base because these 5-inch balloons are blown up pretty tight and I don't want to disturb them. So this is very secure. I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to take my last and third quad and I'm going to tie it with this inflation valve that I have here. I'm just going to tie these 2 inflation valves that I have. I have 4 of them sticking out the middle. So I'm just going to tie those together. Nice and tight. And the piece de la resistance will sit right on top, and I'm going to figure eight this around like we do normally. If you're tired of figure eighting, there's many ways to attach this, but make sure it's very secure, and I'm just going to do a double knot here. So that, as they say, is that. This is a very versatile design, and if you want to increase your availability for this, say it's graduation, well, it looks darn good for graduation as well. Just be sure you're matching the Mylar balloon with your latex balloons. Super cute, super fun, great idea. I hope you enjoy these and use these to enhance and beautify your world. Thanks for joining us again. We at Mayflower appreciate you.